2025 model. Now we've done factory reversing camera on the original screen. I'll show you the camera just there, small and discreet. If we go around to the front of the vehicle, and if I switch on the vehicle, so on the factory screen, if I go into reverse now, reversing image will pop up, shows you front and rear sensors display on the corner, and it also gives you movable guidelines. If I rotate to the far left, rotate to the far right as well, as you can see, pretty much as OEM as possible. If you'd like something like this installed in your vehicle, give us a call, 0208 554 5554.